Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound on your iPhone by following these steps. So let's get started. Now, really simple and easy. Sometimes it's simple as making sure your volume is actually up. So you're going to use a volume up button here. Just press on it to make sure it is turned up. And the other thing you want to check out is not it on silent mode. So if you have a newer phone, you're going to see a button. And if you just press and hold, as you can see, it says silent now. If you press and hold again, it's going to say ring. So make sure that is on and the volume is up as well. Now, if you have an older phone, if you see the toggle like this, red, you're going to flick it up. Make sure that toggle is upward. That's going to make sure that it is not silent. So that's going to be thing to check out. Another thing to check out or consider is that if you installed or put on a new case, it could actually be blocking the mic up top and the bottom here. So you want to make sure that case isn't blocking that and you may not be getting sound from there. Now, after that, the next thing you want to go ahead and check out is in your setting, you're going to go down to sounds and haptics. So we're going to go down to sounds and haptics right here. And in the sounds and haptics here, where you see ringtone here, if it's turned all the way up or very low, you're not going to hear it, although your volume might be up with these buttons. So what you need to do is use this toggle to turn the volume up, and make sure if you have silent mode on to turn that off as well. And then other things you might want to consider is making sure that you select, for example, ringtone has an option instead of selecting like a none, or if you don't see an option, you want to select those for each specific sound that you want as well. Now, another thing you're going to want to consider doing is pulling down that control menu or pulling it up. Make sure you do not have a focus mode, like do not disturb. If it's turned on, you're not going to get any sound for notification and such, or even videos. You're going to turn that off, or any of these focus mode, make sure they're turned off as well. Now, another thing you're going to check out is in your setting, you're going to click on Bluetooth. Make sure it's not connected to any Bluetooth devices. What will happen is if it's connected, it's going to push that sound to that Bluetooth device. I recommend just turning it off if it is, and then seeing if sound is coming out of your iPhone. It could just simply be that, and you can always turn it back on and adjust accordingly whether you need to disconnect or reinsure that. Now, if you're still having issue, the next thing you're going to do is pull down from the top here in this section where you have option. Make sure it is selected to iPhone speaker, not to something else. If you're airplaying some output to another device, it could be going there as well. Now, another thing you want to go ahead and check out is using different apps to test out the mic. For example, if you use a voice recorder, right, you can test out to see if it's picking up sounds. If I do that, as you can see, if it's picking up sound, it's going to say it's actually picking up sound, and I can go ahead and play that and make sure it is working. So that's going to be a quick way to check as option as well. Now, along with that, the next thing you're going to do is a force restart. So this method, you're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button. So I'm going to do volume up, volume down. I'm going to hold this side button down, and you're going to keep on holding until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears on the screen before you let go of that side button. So let's go ahead and wait and see here. So you see the Apple logo, I let go. This method is safe. It will not delete any of your data. And if it doesn't work the very first time, go ahead and try again. You're going to press volume up, followed by volume down very quickly, one after another, and then hold down that side button until it forces it to completely shut down and restart the phone, fixing any software related issue. So after that, you're going to go ahead and get back onto your phone. And if it's still not working, the next thing to do is updating your phone's software. So in your setting, you're going to go general software update and check if there is an update out. Maybe sometimes the previous update might be causing issues. So if there is an update, you're going to go update your phone as well. Now, after you have done that, if there is an update, you're going to go ahead and do one more thing in your setting. If it's not working, you're going to go to general, scroll down this time to transfer reset iPhone. You're going to click on reset. You're going to reset all settings, and you're going to enter your phone's passcode. Now, all these settings will just reset the settings themselves. It will not delete any of your data. All of your data like photos, videos, apps, everything will be there. But important to do that if you simply can't get sound to work. Finally, let's say you did all of this. It could just simply be a hardware related issue. In that case, you do have to take it to the Apple Store or get it repaired to have that fixed for you. And in any case, I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.